friends, I am here with a new video like how to control cash in POS. So when you are running a business of any kind of with the help of POS, you have a lot of cash incoming by day to day. So it is really hard to maintain your cash, especially when your store is in a very busy area or in a very busy period. So after the day finish, you can realize that you have that much of cash but you're missing some of the cash. So Flectra introduced a new feature in the POS which can help you to maintain your cash and control. So let's just understand how to control the cash. So this is the Flectra database. You need to go to the point of sale. So these all are the POS categories. So first you need to go to the setting of it. In the payment method, you can see the advanced cash control option. You need to click it if it is not enabled, but right now it is enabled, so you can just put it like that and just you need to save it. Go to the dashboard again. Go to the let's just start the new session. Here the POS can ask you to set a cash opening. So how much openings do you want a day by day into your POS? So you can write it down up here. Let's just set $300 with the 10 notes with the 30 notes, and let's just open it. So this is the Flectra POS is looking like. So you can see the different products added already into the database. So let's just select the task pad. Let's just select chicken user and let's just select the office design software. Or let's just go to the payment. So customer are going to pay via cash. So let's just select the cash up here. So they are paying up to $300 to us. And just validate the receipt. Now we need to close it down and confirm it. You need to go to the close option up here. You can see the expected cash in it is $585. Actual cash we don't have it right now, and the transaction is $285. So let's just end the session from here. You can see we are missing out to $585 in the POS because we are already setting up the $300 and we are buying the $285. So 300 plus 285 into 73 cents. So we need 585 into 0.73 cents into the POS, but we don't have it the cash right now. So let's just set the closing cash right. You can add the line from here. We need 585, so we have like 50 notes with $10. So you can see $500 is up here. Now we need to set up the 73. So let's just add the line. We need 7 and should be 0.10. So it's 570. We still out of $85.03. Let's just add it. 8 10 580. You can set it according to your coins or your notes. So I'm setting up just like by myself. Just have one. 585 and we need one more. So 1 and 0.03. Switch is around. So it's been set up. Need to confirm it. You can see we have enough cash into our POS. Like you can, if you want to take out the cash from the POS, you just need to write it down the reason and amount and just take out the money. I don't need it right now, so I'll just keep it that way. Let's just close the session and post the address. You need to go to the session most recent entry. You can check it the transaction which is done by the POS manager or anyone. You can just go to the general items up here. Here you can see what items has been bought. Flectra has the ability to match up the things into the database. You can see all the products here, all the database here. So let's just go to the POS again and database. So that is all I have right now. Thank you very much.